In this video, I'll show you how to enable or how to get the stereo mix in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now, first step you want to do is either search for sound if you're on Windows 11, or on Windows 10 you can right click here and go to sounds. Now in here, what you want to do is you want to head over to recording, and you should be able to see your stereo mix in here. Then what you can do is simply right click and enable if you want to enable it. Now, if for some reason you don't see it in here and you can't really find it anywhere, what you want to do is head over to Google and search for this: high definition audio codecs software. Press enter and choose the first one. Once you're in here, you'll be able to see that you can download the driver software from in here. And then what you want to do is you want to find if you want the 64 or the 32-bit. Now to do this, what you want to do is just search for system information, and you should be able to see right here if you're 64 or 32. Then simply choose the one you want, download here, and it's going to give you an installer, which is really simple to install. Now that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.